Ayan! Ito na nga guys. Tignan nyo. Hindi ko pa yan nai-stylan. Pero ang ganda. Hindi ko pa siya nai-stylan guys. Pero ang ganda, diba? O, bagay sa akin. Hello guys. Fresh na fresh yung ano niya. Fresh na fresh yung feeling. Ganun. Ayan. Aayusan ko na yung hair ko guys. Kasi, mukhang kalat sa likod, pasensyahan nyo na yan. Ayan, i-stylean na natin. Maganda naman guys yung kinalabasan ng aking hair. Hindi naman siya tsaka. So, let's do the styling. Yan na, ganda diba? Fresh na fresh yung hair ko guys. Gagantuin lang natin siya. Ang konting-konti, very light. Para makita natin na pantay talaga yung pagkakagupit, di ba? Dapat i-double check natin. This is how I, after I cut my hair, or even my daughter, kapag kinakat ko yung hair ng daughter ko, inaano ko siya, ini-straight ko siya lagi para makita ko kung yes. Now I'm doing my hair now. You wanna come? Okay. Hi. You want to shower?
Yes, like you.
Like me?
Yes.
Just give me a minute, okay?
Okay. Mommy, I can't see.
Huh?
I can't see.
You can't see? What can't you see? What can't you see?
I'm going to bath.
You're going to bath?
Yeah, I want to go in the bath.
Okay, just wait for Mama. I will help.
No, I'm a pink girl.
Oh, you're a big girl?
Yeah, I go in a bed shower.
Just wait, okay?
Okay.
Ayan guys, tignan nyo, gawa na yung hair ko. Oh. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda, oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng hair ko ngayon.
No.
Pang ano?
No.
Oh, pang malakasan.
No.
Oh, ha? Ay,
Now can I have
hang on, baby. You can take a shower right now. I'm on live. They're gonna see you. Ayan, ang ganda ng hair ko, guys! Ang ganda! Oh. Ang kapal, oh. Tignan nyo yung likod. Papakita ko yung likod niya. That's the back of my hair. I don't know. I can't even see it. Hopefully, it's even. That's the back of my hair. Ang ganda! Ang ganda. O, ayan na. Magbababay na tayo at yung bulilit ko dito, she wants to take a shower daw. Okay? Mamaya na lang po ulit. Mamaya na lang. Okay, bye-bye.